Do you want to design wall in Blender? Follow me in this video, I will explain it in detail. The first thing, I wish to subscribe in the channel, and the second, follow the video to the end. Remove the main cube and then add a sphere, add subdivision, set render at 3. Go to shading, then click new. Add mix RGB, then bump node, then color ramp, and then connect mix RGB with base color and subsurface color. Connect color ramp to roughness and bump to normal. Copy mix RGB and color ramp, connect the node as in the video. Also make 2 copies of mix RGB and connect them as in the video. Add a copy of color ramp, then connect to as in the video. Don't forget to put color ramp at ease. Add 2 copies of color ramp and then connect them as in the explanation. Add wave texture, then add Musgrave texture, and then connect them as in the video. Add a magic texture and a copy of the wave texture, connect them as shown. Add texture coordinate and link it as in the video, then follow the next steps. Adjust the settings as shown. Add a geometry node and then link it to color ramp. at the end of the video. I hope that I have not been too long and that you will subscribe to the channel.